Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start our grammar revision. Okay. In grammar revision also na you will get 4 options in your question paper. Okay. From that 4 options you have to find out the correct option and you have to click on that correct option and after that save next button. So your correct answer will get selected and you will get the next question also. At each time now you will get only one question at one time, so you will able to see only one question at a time. So you have to see that question properly, read that question properly, and you have to select the correct option and after that save next button. So your answer will get saved and you will get the next option. Earlier I have told you that you will get 1 hour, but it is not that. You will get only 45 minutes for completing this paper. So you have to complete that paper within 45 minutes, means you have to collect before 40 minutes. If you will able to complete in 40 minutes, then only you will be able to submit the paper on time. If you will not press the submit button, your paper will not get submit and it would show that you have not given the FA1 exam. So you have to complete that paper before 40 minutes and you have to press the submit button also, because after 45 minutes what will happen, the portal in which you are writing that paper now will get automatically closed, so you will not be able to do anything. So be careful and read the question properly and select the correct options and do the paper patiently, okay, with calm mind, and don't get disturbed by anything or don't get frustrated or means you don't get any frightened also. If you are fearing that how my exam will go, you can ask me anytime that what will happen or what you are feeling about the exam or what difficulties you are facing. You can call me and ask me, okay. So now we will start our revision. So here see, complete this sentence with the correct question tag. We have seen this and explained this before only. I have explained you that the question tag means it is a kind of words which are used as short question. It is just the confirmation asked in the end of the statement. जो statement होता है उसके end में वो छोटे से क्वेश्चन की तरह पूछा जाता है, तुम्हें वहाँ जाना है तो क्या तुम्हें, इस तरीके से, क्या तुम्हें सच में जाना है, आपको कंफर्मेशन चाहिए होती है किसी चीज़ की. एट दैट टाइम यू टेक द हेल्प ऑफ दिस शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस. ओके. सो सी हियर, आई वाज नॉट टू लाउड, आई वाजंट टू लाउड. सो हियर आई वाजंट टू लाउड, वाज आई, सच में मैं इतने जोर से वो ये आवाज़ कर रहा हूँ, तो ऐसे आता है. आई वाजंट टू लाउड, मैं बिल्कुल जोर से नहीं बोल रहा था, पर क्या मैं, ऐसे हो जाता है क्वेश्चन, शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन. ओके, बट वी डोंट हैव टू टेक नॉट. सो व्हाट वी विल राइट हियर, was I and with that question mark. This is the short question tag word. Okay, so in this form we ask the question also, but in a short form, and we have taken the confirmation that whether it was me only who was making the loud noise. So was I is a question tag word. Okay, so next, he was not rude. Was he, वो बिल्कुल भी रूड नहीं था, पर क्या वो था, जैसे पर क्या वो. So he wasn't rude. Was he, was he is a question tag word. So we will write was and the subject is he. So here we will write he and question mark. I always comes in capital letter, so I have written I capital. But when we are writing the other word like he, she, they, so we have to use here small alphabet only. Okay. She is not looking happy. Is she? So is she is question tag word. Okay. Next, we cannot go today. Can we? So can we is question tag word. They have not eaten. They have not eaten. Have they? He won't be late. Now here won't, तो won't का will he This way it will get changed into future tense. That क्या वो लेट हो सकता है, ऐसे। पर इसमें पहले क्या बोला है, वो लेट नहीं हो सकता पर वो हो भी सकता है, तो will he. In place of won't we will write will he. She did not come first. Did she? Then you should not make noise here. Should you? Then it is not very far. Is it? Is it very far? In this way. So it is a confirmation ask. Okay. So this is the question tag word. You have to read this properly. Understand what it is asking, and when we are taking confirmation, we write first these two words only. With wasn't is there, so we will write only was I, was he, is she, can we, have they. In place of won't we have to write the future tense word. So will he, did she, should you, is it. So it is a confirmation word, that is called question tag word. Okay, short question. So here our question tag question completes. Okay.